In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmark on Google Chrome. If you've ever found a page you know you'll want to come back to, a bookmark is the quickest, most reliable way to save it. I'll walk you through the simplest methods, show you where those bookmarks live, and share a quick tip to keep them within easy reach. Let's start with the most visible way to add a bookmark using the star icon. Open Google Chrome, then head to the website or page you want to save. Look at the right side of the address bar. This is where you'll find the small star icon. Click the star. A dialog will appear, letting you confirm the bookmark. If you like to keep things tidy, you can choose a folder to organize it, but you can also leave it as is. When you're ready, click Done. That's it. The page is now saved as a bookmark. You'll notice that the star icon turns solid when a page is bookmarked, which is a helpful visual cue if you're not sure whether you've saved it before. If you prefer speed, there's an even faster method using a keyboard shortcut. While you're on the page you want to save, press Ctrl+D on Windows or CMD+D on a Mac. The same bookmark dialog will appear, and all you need to do is click Done. This shortcut is great when you're moving quickly through research or saving multiple pages in a row. Now, where do those bookmarks go? You can find them in two main places, the Bookmarks bar and the Bookmarks Manager. The Bookmarks bar appears just beneath the address bar and shows your most important bookmarks at a glance. For a complete organized view, open the Bookmarks Manager. Press Ctrl+Shift+O to open it instantly. This is the central hub where you can view everything you've saved and keep your collection organized over time. Here's an optional tip to make access even quicker. You can enable the Bookmarks bar so your saved pages are always one click away. Press Ctrl+Shift+B and the bar will appear. Press the same shortcut again to hide it if you prefer a cleaner look. Keeping the bar visible is especially handy for pages you visit daily, and that's all you need. Whether you use the star icon or the keyboard shortcut, you'll be able to save pages instantly, find them easily, and keep them close by when you need them.